Some people don't want your platform. They want your opportunities, and they'll burn your name to get them. Apex Watch looked like a supporter of Daybreak tutorials, public praise, shared videos, a collab that made them look aligned. The change happened the moment Daybreak announced a partnership with Meridian Partners. Within hours, Meridian started receiving emails from Apex Watch's business domain, 3 messages, one day, all hinting at issues that didn't exist, just enough to pause the deal. When Meridian forwarded the emails, the pattern was clear: public ally, private saboteur. A collab that started with praise, it ends with a creator quietly dismantling someone else's career. Case file number 006, the false ally. Not every collaborator is a colleague. Use the form, report the abuse, bit.ly/creator abuse. Link to the form is pinned below in the comment section.